dari Cikini Vape. Bermula dari gua nggak terlalu suka sama bau rokok, mulai dari 2016 akhir buka Cikini Vape. Ya gua harap gua bisa membantu orang untuk stop smoking sih. Gua mau support Fum itu pertama karena ini brand lokal dan gua lihat visi misinya sama kayak gua, mau bantu orang untuk stop smoking. Sampai kemarin ditawarin untuk Fum Mural Project. Jujur tadi awalnya ini tembok sangat jelek, ya gue udah pasrah, nggak bisa gue papain. Tapi kemarin tim Fum bilang bisa nih, bisa kita bikin bagus. Oke, gue challenge mereka untuk bikin bagus dan ternyata hasilnya sangat memuaskan sih. Jago, artisnya jago banget. Thank you Fum, udah bikin toko gue lebih keren lagi. Thank you.
Nama gue Denny, gue owner dari Close Dripper Tanjung Duren. Awalnya gue tahu Fum itu dari temen gue. Soalnya kayak gini-gini nih udah banyak nih di pasaran ya kan. Ini mereknya Fum. Fum apaan tuh gue bilang ya kan. Terus gue coba nih. Gue coba dan ternyata gue masuk buat gue. Enak gitu kan. Udah gitu variannya banyak, rasanya oke-oke, gue masuk. Jadi ya udah gue juga pakai kebetulan. Ya intinya sih kenapa enggak gue buat kerja sama Fum gitu kan. Karena segmen customer gue juga masuk. Mereka juga banyak yang beli ini. Udah gitu rasanya enak. Buatan Indonesia lokal.
Nama gue Reza. Gue pakai Fum ini kurang lebih udah 3 bulanan. Gue tahu Fum ini itu dari Alfamart deket rumah gue, dan gue tuh tertarik sama bentuk device-nya yang unik dan mudah dipegang. Yang gue rasain setelah pakai Fum ini, semuanya jadi serba praktis. Yang tadinya gue kalau mau ngerokok itu tuh kayak harus ke tempat-tempat tertentu, dan kalau pakai Fum ini ya gue bebas pakai di mana aja dan nggak ganggu.
Nama gue Feranti Susilowati, gue selaku co-founder dari Fum. Sebagai perempuan, pasti banyak nih yang suka nanya sama gue dan mungkin juga penasaran, kenapa sih gue mesti pilih industri penghantar nikotin ini gitu. Udah menjadi passion gue dan hasrat gue untuk gue bisa ngelakuin sesuatu yang impactnya nggak hanya baik untuk diri gue, tapi juga untuk orang lain. Nah, selain itu juga berdasarkan pengalaman pribadi. Gue tuh dulu perokok berat. Sehari itu bisa habis 1, kadang-kadang sampai 2 bungkus juga gitu ya. Kan ribet banget tuh ya kehidupan gue zaman dulu ya sebagai masih perokok tradisional. Gue bisa ganggu lingkungan sekitar sama diri gue sendiri. Kalau misalkan gak kena rokok tuh gak bisa mikir. Mau dimanapun gue pasti minta ada ruangan yang bisa ngerokok. Bau, ribet cari parfum, semprot-semprot. Belum tangannya juga bau. Abu juga yang kira kemana-mana kadang juga nempel di baju. Ribet banget pokoknya urusan rokok ini ya. Akhirnya gue nemuin produk yang cocok buat gue. Terus gue ngerasain banget manfaatnya. Kenapa gue gak jadikan solusi gue ini juga solusi untuk orang yang mengalami hal yang sama kayak gue. Dan setelah itulah baru Fum itu tercetus dan lahir di Indonesia. FOOM, Forget Old Smoking Method. Jadi kita melupakan cara merokok yang zaman dulu gitu, yang tradisional. Kita itu adalah perusahaan startup berbasis teknologi di Indonesia yang fokusnya di penghantar nikotin elektronik sigaret. Fum tuh dari mana ya? Fum gak dari mana-mana. Kita benar-benar produk lokal, karya anak bangsa. Fum adalah produk lokal made in Indonesia. Siapa aja sih orang-orang Fum ini gitu ya? Pastinya gue gak sendiri. Gue ada partner co-founder gue namanya Teguh Aribowo. 1 orang R&D, jadi emang cuman bertiga itu aja udah. Kerjaannya tiap hari itu benar-benar cuman riset di market mengenai perokok dewasa di Indonesia tuh gimana. Terus mau cari produk alternatif tuh gimana. Waktu trial pun, itu yang kita trial itu teman-teman sekitar. Jadi benar-benar ini kira-kira gimana ya produknya bisa diterima apa enggak. Dulu asal muasal tuh benar-benar cuman bertiga. boro-boro ngebayangin bisa bikin acara virtual launching gitu kayak sekarang. Zaman dulu aja, aduh mikirin yang lain-lain enggak. Intinya kita benar-benar mau buat produk yang bisa diterima sama masyarakat Indonesia dan sesuai sama cita rasanya mereka. Maka tercetuslah dan hadirlah FUM. Jadi ini nih produknya yang biasa disebut dengan electronic cigarette sistem terbuka atau open system. Misi utama FUM itu sendiri adalah kita bertekad dan bertujuan untuk dapat membantu perokok dewasa di Indonesia beralih dari rokok konvensional ke cara yang lebih aman dan juga bertanggung jawab tanpa meninggalkan sensasi atau kenikmatan dalam menikmati nikotin. Gue pribadi jujur ya, personally itu suka banget sama device-nya FUM. Karena apa? Karena enak banget dipegang. Gampang kalau kalian punya kantong juga ditaruhnya juga gampang. Nggak ada abu, nggak ada bau juga. Tarnya pun tidak ada. Trendy lah ya. Gitu kalau orang ngeliat. Udah gitu kan pastinya FUM ini bisa jadi solusi untuk kamu semua para perokok dewasa Indonesia yang lagi cari-cari produk alternatif untuk dapat beralih dari rokok konvensional ke cara yang lebih aman juga bertanggung jawab. Terus kalau ditanya nih setelah 1,5 tahun FUM mau ada cerita apa lagi nih, mau gebrakan apa lagi nih, pastinya masih banyak lagi cerita-cerita menariknya atau gebrakan-gebrakan lainnya yang FUM mau kerjakan di tahun-tahun ke depannya. Ini anggapannya kalau bikin TV series, FUM ini season 1 juga belum kelar. Segala hal yang FUM nantinya lakukan atau yang sudah lakukan itu pasti berdasarkan feedback, inputan dari para FUMers, para bisnis partner, retailers gitu ya. Semua input dan feedback itu FUM akan jadikan pembelajaran. Kita akan implementasi untuk terus improvement akan quality produk ataupun akan kegiatan-kegiatan lainnya. Kami sangat apresiasi sekali, sangat menghormati segala komentar, input, dan feedback dari semua pihak. Dan dari segala input, feedback, terus dia gitu komentar, akhirnya FUM meluncurkan produk yang namanya Cigarette Series. Ada Ice Blast, Red Malt, juga Java Kretek. Nah, nggak nyangka banget ya ternyata Cigarette Series ini tuh sangat diterima dan digemari oleh masyarakat. Gue sendiri itu pakai yang namanya Ice Blast. The best. Dan yang baru ini kita keluarin yaitu Liquid Fruity Series. Nah, bagi kalian yang mencari sensasi fresh fruit juice gitu ya, kita baru nih launching aja, baru bulan lalu kita ada namanya Fruity Series. Ada rasa mango, rasa berry, plus rasa melon. FUM janji untuk terus mendengarkan feedback, komentar, request dari para FUMers, bisnis partner, dan retailer untuk ngeluarin liquid-liquid lainnya yang lebih menarik, juga produk-produk lainnya yang lebih menarik. FUM ingin berterima kasih dan memberikan apresiasi yang setinggi-tingginya bagi para pihak yang udah ngebantu FUM dari awal sebelum sampai hari ini. Ada FUMers, distributor, retailers, toko vape, reseller, dan semua pihak-pihak lainnya yang benar-benar udah percaya banget sama FUM sampai FUM bisa menjual lebih dari 500.000 produk gabungan dari semuanya sampai hari ini. Kita di FUM itu ngerasain banget segala kepercayaan dan bantuan dari para FUMers dan juga para pelaku bisnis di industri pengantar nikotin elektronik ini. Tanpa mereka dan tanpa kalian semua, FUM yang tadinya cuma bertiga nggak mungkin akan bisa seperti ini. Kita FUM family ini ngerasain banget bahwa sudah banyak banget dibantu dan diberikan kepercayaan. Terima kasih untuk semua yang udah nonton YouTube channel ini, meluangkan waktunya untuk bisa bersama-sama sama FUM. Kita ngajak semua teman-teman untuk dapat scan barcode yang ada di layar kaca itu, berdonasi, yang mana donasinya ini kita akan pergunakan untuk dapat membantu teman-teman kita sesama pelaku industri yang kena dampak dari pandemi COVID-19 ini. Tahun 2019 ini bukan tahun yang gampang, namun FUM mengajak kalian semua yang lihat acara ini dan semua yang ada di mana-mana untuk bangkit bersama. Tetap optimis, kita semua pasti bisa ngelaluin pandemi ini. Dengan ini gue, Feranti Susilowati, juga seluruh tim FUM resmi meluncurkan kehadiran FUM di Indonesia. Dan seperti yang kalian tahu, malam ini kita kedatangan guest star spesial Weird Genius. So, enjoy!
Go back, I'm here baby waiting for ya. Stop holding on, baby, I just don't wanna lose ya. There will be no time for us to fight the destiny. I will never change my mind to live a fantasy. There will be a time for us to find a clarity. This world is crazy, but we love the insanity. There will be no time for us to fight the destiny. I will never change my mind to live a fantasy. There will be a time for us to find a clarity. This world is
This is really
crazy,
genius.
but we love
Deep,
the
yeah.
insanity.
Let's go.
Go back, be waiting for ya. Go back, stop holding on, baby. I just don't wanna lose ya. There will be no time for us to fight the destiny. I will never change my mind to live a fantasy. There will be a time for us to find a clarity. This world is crazy, but we love the insanity. There will be no time for us to fight the destiny. I will never change my mind to live a fantasy. There will be a time for us to find a clarity. This world is crazy, but we love the insanity.
This is your genius for Foom, ladies and gentlemen.
I remember when the bartender said it's on the house. You make me wanna fall in love. The weather felt better. We were in it together.
Novia, ladies and gentlemen.
I miss the way we used to talk about us, and I hate to say I should have seen it coming.
Last summer, everything was easy.
We wanted all to do it, baby. No wonder you couldn't keep it. You got harder than you thought it was.
Yo, yo.
You stopped loving me on the dark nights.
What?
Now you wanna kiss me in the sunlight. Last summer, I know you leave me. 'Cause loving me was the thing.
Let's go.
Cause loving me is the thing. If you wanted to talk, you would've texted. If I wanted to stop, I would've let it go. But I get it, it's alright. 'Cause I can't keep my shit together. Say, okay, yeah, can't debate that. Don't want shit to get better. 'Cause it made me forget it all and I hate that. Last summer, everything was easy. We got it all to do it, baby. No wonder you couldn't keep it.
You couldn't keep it.
Got harder than you thought it was.
Clap your hands.
You stopped loving
We're genius. The next one is Flick Shot. Novia, hit it.
We went up the hill, 3 or 4 of us safe for the way. Some of us doubted, we got nothing to lose here. Look, there's some mistakes left behind. When moving forward, they don't know. Just need a second to break their line. Believing yourself is our show. Our show. Our show. Oh my God.
Once again, this is We're Genius on the deck with Boom. Let's go.
Oh my God, that's a pleasure. Our show. Our show.
Another one.
Our show. Our show. Oh my God, that's a pleasure. We got nothing to lose here. We went up the hill, 3 or 4 of us safe for the win. Some of us doubted, we got nothing to lose here. There's no mistakes left behind. When moving forward, they don't know. Just need a second to break their line. Believing yourself is our show. Our show. Our show.
Novia, listen to the let's go.
Hush, everybody.
This is our collaboration. We're Genius with Yellow Claw. And also Reiko, Novia singing.
Ever since you said my name, I will never be the same. Can't believe what I became when you got into my brain. I know I should stay away to the way you play. And everyone's over the hole, and a fool for you are now. So let's not talk too much, please. Don't call me slow. I bet my whole out for you. Say everybody. Oh, you never mean a thing to say. Oh, you never mean a thing to say. So hush, don't you bother. Go mess up another. Oh, you never mean a thing to say. Oh, you never mean a thing to say. So hush, don't you bother. Go mess up another. Every hour's in a room, every hour's in the same. Can't believe what I became when it got into my brain. Now I know I should stay away to the way you play. And this love, I let my hopes up for you. Everybody say it. Oh, you never meant a thing to say. Oh, you never meant a thing to say. So hush, don't you bother. Go mess up another. Oh, you never meant a thing to say. Oh, you never meant a thing to say. So hush, don't you bother.
Don't you bother.
Go mess up another. When it's boiling more, but you need it to you. When it's all hot, but you need it to you. When you see the light, but you need it to you. When it's boiling,
Everybody on the spot, clap your hands up.
when it's boiling more, but you need it to you. When you see the light, but you need it to you. When you're drunk inside, but you need it to you. When you see the light, but you need it to you.
Alright, this is Dreams. Virginia's collaboration with Dolph Music.
I don't want to say goodbye, cause I see you in my dreams. Take it slow, take it easy, and take all the times you need. We don't need to close your eyes when I hold you in my wings. So until later in my dream, I'll sleep through the days now. Just in case you might show up, I'm wasting away now. But I still feel love to love. If I wake up, stay with me. I'll sleep through the days now.
Hey,
just to see you in my dreams. Hey. You meet again last night to say it's okay to breathe. Take it slow, take it easy, and take all the time you need. You don't need to close your eyes when I hold you in my wings. So until later, in my dreams, I'll sleep through the days now. Just in case you might show up, I'm wasting away now. But I still feel love to love. If I wake up, stay with me. I'll sleep through the days now. Just to see you in my dreams. All is dark, it showed up first light. First shadow begins with the light outside. All is dark, coming down on no pen. The history about you began.
Let's go.
Baby, you and I all revolving around the darkness, it evolving. In the time that starts
Baby girl, you're the satellite of my world. The universe that can never be described with words. You're a proton, I'm a neutron, and the almighty holding that electron. People say I love you to the moon and back, but I'm just a man who will always got your back. Baby, don't leave, baby, stay stick. I'm a bit weird, baby, please don't disappear.
You and I, we're flying through the dark.
We're flying.
Even we don't know.
We don't even
Fighting
know.
for each other.
Yeah.
I'm here, baby. Please keep moving closer.
I'll find you.
With no incentive.
Spread your wings and hit my heart like a big bang.
Because they hold me closer. With no incentive. My heart with a big bang. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
With a big bang.
That's a big bang, baby. The next one.
With the big bang. Heard of the rumors you found another one. It's easy to leave me, that I love you the most, baby. I was a fool to love you more than I've ever loved myself, but now I'm ready to fall in love again without you, baby. I'm ready to fall in love again without you. Now I'm ready to fall in love again without you, baby. I'm ready to fall in love again without you. I have sleepless night, told of a broken heart and I'll be in this light. I bite my pillow, my tears have been drowning. When the hell is coming, baby? I was a fool to love you more than I've ever loved myself, but now I'm ready to fall in love again without you, baby. I'm ready to fall in love again without you. Now I'm ready to fall in love again without you, baby. I'm ready to fall in love again without you.
This is gonna be our two last song for tonight, Novia.
Yes,
Yes,
last
sir.
song.
Yes,
the last song.
Two last songs for tonight.
Let's go.
sing it.
I control away the pieces that you gave, betray in a way. Often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now it's a scar. try to latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes. It's like it's a new journey. My heart has said enough of pain. Once a fool, now I'm away. Hold me night, give me back my mind, my thoughts that you've taken, stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go and die, 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 not to go and die. But I already died. But I already help me shut you out, not to go and die, but I already died. We already died too deep, but I already died.
Alright, this is gonna be our last song. Novia, it's all yours.
Everything has changed. It all happened for a reason. Down from the first stage, it isn't something we found, but never wanted this kind of pain. Tear myself so cold and heartless. One thing you should know. Latin. I was born a fool, broken all the rules. Ooh. Sing all the time, all of the truth. Ooh. Everything has changed. It all happened for a reason. Down from the first stage, it isn't something we found for. Never wanted this kind of pain. Turn myself so cold and heartless. The one thing you should know.
We present you, Boom, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, and I so bermasalah jadi orang lagi. Pushing through the countless pain. Oh, I know that His love's a blessing. Yours, everything has changed. It all happened for a reason. Down from the first stage, it isn't something we found for. Never wanted this kind of pain. Turn myself so cold and heartless.
Lati, we're genius.
Thank you, Novia.
Thank you.
Thank you, Fu.
Thank you, Fu.
Virginia signing out.